Let's revise metaphysical and restoration literature in just 1 minute. John Donne is known as the father of metaphysical poetry, and Samuel Johnson coined the term metaphysical poets. A conceit means an unusual or striking comparison. In a valediction forbidding mourning, Donne uses the famous compass conceit. Andrew Marvell is associated with the carpe diem theme, and his famous poem is To His Coy Mistress. George Herbert wrote The Temple. Remember the year 1660, it marks the restoration of the monarchy. John Dryden is called the father of English criticism and wrote an essay of dramatic poesy. William Congreve's masterpiece is The Way of the World. Finally, John Bunyan wrote The Pilgrim's Progress, while John Milton gave us the epic masterpiece Paradise Lost. Save this video for revision and follow the Ink Genius for more UGC Net English one-liners.